As Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high, altcoin goes up as well, but meme coins, they go up the most. Traders can't stop posting pictures of their winning P&Ls. The amount of money they make is life-changing or wife-changing for those who are subscribed to the channel. But seriously, there are 3 meme coin trading styles that the top traders use to make these ridiculous gains. In this video, I will show you all 3 and which one is the best for you so you don't waste money using the wrong approach. Let's start with a very well-known trader, Cupsey. He's often referred as the best trader of all time. His current wallet holds 1,835 SOL, worth around $350,000, plus almost 2,000 tokens, which adds up almost $200,000. And in the last 30 days, he made $2.2 million. Yesterday, $60,000, a yearly salary. Total, that's over $27 million in profit. Cupsey has the most total trade, the highest volume, and the highest fee paid. He paid over $2 million in trading fees, which sounds insane until you understand his strategy. Here is a trade from 3 hours ago. He bought early, bought again in small chunks, and then sold everything shortly after. He made $1,238 on this one. Remember that feeling when you sold too early? This trader never feels that. He's not aiming to make $100,000 on a single play. He's making dozens of micro trades. $80 here, $150 here, $1,000 sometimes, and piling them up. And yes, sometimes he loses. He lost 5K on Super Grok. He lost money on Catcoin too. I was in that one as well. But his approach is pure math. As long as he hands in the green, he wins. His strategy, he camps in the trenches tab using a trading bot like Padre. Link in the description, of course. He sets a buy amount, let's say 1 SOL, and monitors new pairs non-stop. Because these coins are brand new with a few holders, the downside is often low. If a coin fails, you lose $10, $20. But if it catches fire, you catch 10x or more. The strategy requires speed, stamina, and streaming. Cupsey shows up 8 to 12 hours per day, every day. That's his edge. He also gets copied constantly. People use bots to mirror his trades. Everyone watches his wallet when he enters the coins or the pile in. Don't hate the player, hate the game. We are in an attention economy and meme coins are built on attention. When a big name buys, the coins pump because people believe it will. Still, if you want to follow this style, you will need stamina and probably back pain. But here's what Cupsey doesn't want you to know. In the next 90 seconds, I will show you how a father of 2 turned $30 in debt into million. And his strategy is way easier to copy if you only have 1 to 2 hours per day. He already made over $8 million. His name, Mofo. He was $30,000 in debt, but had a strong instinct for trends and turned it into a life-changing result. Picture this. You wake up, check your phone, and see plus $30,000 overnight. Your hands are shaking, your coffee, your matcha tastes different. That's a Tuesday for this guy. I interviewed him on my channel. Here's his strategy. He doesn't watch new coins as they launch. He waits. When a coin goes up and doesn't die immediately, he investigates. If it's a good meme, he acts. For example, he spotted a coin called Troll at around $200,000 market cap. He remembered using that meme with friends. It was viral. He thought it was undervalued. So he invested $500 and started sharing it on Twitter. Chillings means sharing the story and narrative and why other people should buy in. That $500 grew into $17,000, $30K, $70K, and $100K. It's a story we see a lot. Find a narrative, get in before the wave, then amplify attention. Yes, it's a propaganda machine. Just like real estate. If I buy a house in the red light district, this is next to where I work, I will convince you that it's the next Monaco. Every trade is a marketing game. This style is about fewer, bigger wins, not constant sniping. And it works. If you can identify memes, people will rally behind. To help with that, I use Stockchain. It's like having a spy inside every whale's trading room. It shows you which tokens are trending among the top wallets and influencers, KOLs. For example, recent trading tokens included Broccoli, GR Rooms, and Bookcoins. One of the strong examples was Annie. It popped on Stockchain and you could see wallets accumulating on the 1 hour chart, clear as day. It pumped, dumped, nearly died, then pumped again. And many doubled their money during that second wave. That's the wave I love to catch. Right now, if you're watching this video, someone just earned $100 into $10,000. The question is, will that be you next time? But here's the thing. For that, you're going to have to understand how our third trader works. Because the final trader, you may have heard of him. His name is Antoine, a French trader. Rumors says he's incredibly handsome. His strategy is the best. If you want to ride Memecoin wave, but don't want to spend all day glued to the screen. He turned $20 into $20,000 in 7 days, then did it again, starting with $100, turning it into $80,000 in under 2 months, trading only 1 to 2 hours per day. I know all this because I am Antoine, the ego of that guy, right? But here's the deal. If you don't have time, you need tools. It's like digging. If you have time, use a shovel. If not, bring a caterpillar. Picture this. Without tools, you have to be checking 47 different websites, missing the pump. While if you are on StockFund, it's one dashboard and it catches the waves in 30 seconds. I use the print scan algorithm to find early pump. That one, for example, Gabriel was flagged only 3 hours ago. StockFund pulls together signals in one place. Movers tab, that's from PumpFund, usually only on their mobile app. Meme Radar, it's an AI that's going to have amazing win rate. Translation, it finds coins early before they explode. Smart Pump track the top wallet plus the KOL buys together. So you don't need to have to find tons of wallet. Instead of checking 10 different platforms, I log in here and I just check what I like. Plus, I always check the top holders before I go into a coin, just checking how many fresh wallets we have and how many insiders. If they're controlling too much of the supply, I'm not interested. That's where I use Padre. And yes, of course, referral link in the description. That's going to give you 35% kickback on your trade. You just need to type the code handsome and probably make you more handsomer. It worked for me. And I usually spend 1 to 2 hours per day max with those two tools. Often trading with friends. I'm in the Discord, the investors boardroom. We just hang out, watch what's getting created and hit the best one. If you want to see exactly how I use those tools and Padre and the rest, check the video linked right here. The traders' wallet addresses I mentioned are all in the description, but listen, 90% of traders lose money. These three, they are the top 10%. The difference isn't luck. It's discipline, tools, and never trading with money you can't afford to lose. Don't just copy trade them blindly. Find your style, trade smarter, and use better tools. The difference isn't luck. It's discipline, tools, and never trading with money you can't afford to lose. Don't just copy trade them blindly. Find your style, trade smarter, and use better tools.
Oh, that's no boy! Yeah! Ah!
Here's my challenge. I want you to pick one of these strategies and try it for 7 days straight. DM me your results and I will feature the best one in the next video. And for that, you need to check out that one because that's going to go deeper on how to use StockFund. And even if after making millions and everything because of these strategies, don't forget one thing. Stay handsome. Ciao.